Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to solve the one problem based on the series connection of capacitor. Now what is the series connection? Series connection means end to end connection. And what is the formula of the equivalent capacitance when capacitors are connected in a series? The equivalent capacitance formula will be like this: if the capacitors are connected in a series, then the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitance is equal to algebraic sum of reciprocal of capacitance of each capacitor connected in a series. So suppose see here, if one circuit is a given, three capacitor having a value of a 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in a series, and this series connection connected across the 300 volt DC supply. Now here asking for find out the value of equivalent capacitance and energy stored by the 6 microfarad capacitor. Now how can you find out the equivalent capacitance? So by applying the formulas, that is the 1 upon C equivalent, that is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. That is the formula for the series connection of capacitor. Now substitute the value of each capacitor, that is the 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 by taking the LCM here. 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 6. So 6 by 6, that is the 1. So that is the 1 upon C equivalent. So my C equivalent is equal to C equivalent capacitor, that is also 1 microfarad. So 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad, that is the equivalent capacitance for this connection. Now energy stored by the 6 microfarad capacitor. Now the equation of energy stored by capacitor is equal to 1/2 CV square. Now for series connection, now what is the V? Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q by C. Substitute the value of a V is equal to Q by C here. So you will get 1/2 C. V is equal to Q by C square. So finally 1/2 Q square divided by C. So energy stored by six microfarad capacitor will be given by 1/2 Q square by C. Now substitute the value Q. What is the Q? Q, that is the charge. Now Q is given by C into V. What is the C? That is the 1 microfarad. So 1 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. And what is the V? That is the 300 volt. So you can write 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 coulomb. That is my charge stored by the capacitor. Now Q square, so 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 square divided by, substitute the value of a C, that is the equivalent capacitance, 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. So see here 0.3 square, that is the 0.09 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. So finally we will get 0.09 divided by 2, that is the 0.045 joule, which is stored by the 6 microfarad. That is the answer. So this way you can solve the any example based on the series connection of capacitor, and you can find out the energy stored by the any of the capacitor by applying this formula. Thank you.